Hey guys, I'm super excited to know that you're interested in Alexa. Before you enroll, let me warn you. This is not a course that will be long and boring, but rather a short and fun-filled course that will give you an excellent understanding about the basic concepts of Alexa. I'm Aishwarya, I'll be your instructor for this course. Before this course, I never realized how fun it is to create a course. I had the time of my life creating these projects and working together with the editors to create the perfect animations to illustrate the concepts clearly and in an engaging way. But hey, don't take my word for it, you can ask Alexa. Hey Alexa, why don't you tell these future students about our course?
Hey there, students. I am happy to know that you are interested in me. I had so much fun testing all the skills Aishu built for me, and I am sure you will have fun building the skills with her too. So what are you waiting for? Come, join me and Aishu in this fun course and start building your own custom skills.
You heard her guys, enroll now.